Hello Miss Greta, my name is Safira Rizdi. I'm from Bunda Mulia University, Hospitality and Tourism from F&B department. Before I start my introduction, thank you so much for giving me the chance to myself. I'm excited to apply for the assistant pastry cook position at Hilton Madrid. Hilton itself is a hotel I've always looked up to because of its international name, professional standard, and the opportunity to learn from real chef. So in this video, I want to share my story, how I got into baking, what I've experienced, and why I'd love to be part of the team. I started baking during the COVID-19 pandemic. At the time, I stayed at home most of the time, like everyone else. And one day, I just randomly watched a baking video. I remember it was someone that making chocolate lava cake. It looks really nice, and I thought I want to try that. So I followed the recipe as best as I could, but it didn't turn out really perfect. That because the chocolate inside wasn't as melt as in the video, but it still tastes good. That's what made me so happy. Even though it wasn't perfect, I enjoyed the process. That was the first time that I realized baking could be something I like to do. After that, I didn't bake like every day, but I just bake once in a while when I had time or when I felt that I'm curious about to try something new. So it was more like a little project for myself. I didn't make cakes for birthday or like big events or anything fancy. It was just small simple things at home, like maybe cookies, sometimes brownies, something just testing out the dough. Later on, I joined a baking class during college. It wasn't an advanced class, but I learned the basic. I tried making sponge cake, chalks, pastry, and some bread. Most of my practice was actually in college. That's when I got to bake a few more times, especially bread. I didn't master it, but I like the process, like preparing the dough, letting it rise, shaping it, and also baking it. It feels just satisfying. There was one time I used yeast and made a little mistake. I used cold water instead of warm water. I didn't know it before, so it would stop the dough from rising. I waited and waited, but nothing had happened, and I just Googled on it. That Google told me that in the baking, small things like temperature really matter. Since then, I always do able to check things like that. I might not bake very often, but I always try to do it properly when I do it. So I try to prepare all the tools, read the recipe first, and stay organized. That's something I bring from my own personality. I'm a bit of perfectionist. I like things to be clean and neat, and I don't like rushing, like something just to finish fast. Outside of baking, I also help my cousin with her yogurt business, as I already write on the CV. Like I had to package jar using bubble wrap before sending them to the customer. At first, I was too careful actually. I took a long time because I wanted everything to be neat and clean. Even tearing the bubble wrap was hard for me at that time, because I didn't want it to look messy. But after a few days, I got faster that taught me how to balance quality and speed. Even that wasn't pastry related, I think it's still a skill that helps me in the kitchen. Being patient, neat, focused is really important in pastry work. It's not about just taste, but it's also about presentation and precision. I also had an experience in my third semester. I joined an event called APG. In this event, we work with students from 5th semester to serve their parents. I was the part of service team during that time. I learned a lot of things. I learned how to serve guests politely, how to set a dining table, and how to serve food in the right way. It was a good chance for me to understand formal dining and improve my communication skill with guests. We also had a few training sessions before the event. We practiced how to serve properly and how to communicate with guests. What's maybe the guest think about the menu, and this session really helped us feel more prepared and confident during the real event. I realized that even small details like how to place the cutleries or how to greet a guest can make a big difference in the overall experience. The lecturers and seniors guided us patiently, and I really appreciate their support. I also met many new people during this event. I learned how to work in a team, help each other, and solve problems together. Working with other students showed me that teamwork is very important to make an event successful. We had to communicate, stay organized, and support each other. Even though it was tiring, it was also fun. I felt happy when the guests smiled and enjoyed our service. This event also helped me become more confident when talking to people. At first, I didn't know how to do, but after some time, I got used to it. I became more comfortable helping guests. I also became more open to learning new things. I learned that being in hospitality is not only about serving food, but also about making guests feel welcome and being respected. This experience was not only about learning service skills, it also helped me grow as a person. I learned to be patient, pay attention to small things, and stay calm when something goes wrong. I also saw how important teamwork is to reach a goal together. I believe this event gave me useful lessons that I can use in the future, both in school and at work. It made me want to keep learning and improving myself. I would like to describe myself as someone who organized, careful, and willing to learn. I like helping people and working in the team. If someone needs help, I'm ready to help. And if I'm not sure about something, I'll ask, and I don't mind doing small jobs like cleaning or preparation because I know those things are important in the kitchen. When I do something I want to do, I might be slow at first, but I always try to improve. I also enjoy learning new things that I often watch baking video, and then I will take notes about technique that I don't think that I understand yet. So I may not remember all the names technique, but I understand the step and I'm ready to follow the instruction carefully. I want to work at Hilton Hotel because I want to grow in a real kitchen. Until now, most of my baking experience is just at home or from just on the college class. That why I want to feel how it likes to work with a real pastry team, like preparing dessert for guests, plating them nicely, and doing everything at the highest standard. I know the position is assistant pastry cook, and I understand that I will be doing a lot of support work like preparing ingredients, organize tools, cleanings the area that I already mess with that, maybe helping with plating. I completely okay with that. I'm not expecting to be a star. I won't just start my works from basic, and what I really want is to learn from professional and gain experience. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope I also able to show you how really my experience and how my motivation. I may not have years of baking experience, but I have the passion to learn and the discipline to work hard and the respect for the pastry team. I hope this video explain more about me, and I truly hope I can be accepted as a part of the Hilton team. Thank you once again.